I look for you, and something changed. We used to wait for you in a me dream, in a the memories them when me have, in a moment where I almost feel real. Like if me hold on long enough, you would have come back to me, but you never did. You always feared, always left, always turned into silence when me can't escape. And one day, me get tired. Not are you, but losing you over and over again. So this time, when me see you, me never run and me never reach. Me never beg you for stay, me just look upon you for where you really was, and memory where me I try to relive. And for the first time, me just let that just be just that. No chasing, no holding on, no breaking off myself to keep something we already gone. And you know what hurt the most? You never disappear this time. And me did. Me walk away. Yes. And when me wake up, it was quiet, and not the same quiet. This one never hurt. Cause for the first time, missing you never mean losing myself.